Hello everyone. This is the third part for grade 3 math learner book. Let's start. Page number 52. What number am I? Solve this number puzzle. Half of me is 5 and double me is 20. What number am I? Half of me is 5 and double me is 20. So what number am I? So the easy way, if you find anything smaller, half of me is 5, so make it double. So it is like this, we can get our answer. So what is the double of 5? Obviously it's 10. Now you can check your answer. Half of me is 5. When you're making the half of 10, it's coming 5, and when you're making double of 10, it's coming 20. So this is our requirement. What number am I? So I am 10. Half of me is 2 and double me is 8. What number am I? Same method we are using. Half of me is 2. So we are making, instead we are making it half, we are making it double. So what is the double of 2? It's 4. Here 4. Now we can check our answer. Is this number, it is correct? Is it correct or no? So half of me is 2. Make the half of 4, it's coming 2, and what the double of 4, it's 8. So like this, our answer is correct. Double me is 100. Double me is 100. Half of me is 20. Mostly all the questions on these two pages we are using the same method. Double me is 100 and half of me is 25. So it's better we are choosing the small number which is possible us to make it easily double. So half, just convert it, change into double of 25. So 25 plus 25 equals 50. So when you are writing it, so we can check our answer. Is it correct? Double me is 100. Obviously 50 double 100, and half of 50 is 25. Half of me is 1 and double me is 4. Obviously we are choosing the same thing. Half of me is 1. So we are not making half, we are making double. Double of 1, it's equal to 2. So this is our answer. After 2 we can check, is it correct? Half of me is 1. Obviously when we are making the half of 2, it is 1, and when we are making double of 2, it's 4. Like this, double of me is 32. We skip all other part, just we are looking at this portion, half, and we are not making half, we are making double of 8. Double of 8 equals 16. So right here 16, and then we can check. When we are making double of 16, it's coming 32. 16 plus 16, 32, and when you are making half of 16, it's coming 8. Half of me is 20 and double of me is 80. So the same process you are using, the same method we are using. Half of me is 20. When you are making a half, instead of half we are making double. 20, it's coming 40. So when you are making right here 40, now we can check. Half of me is 20. The half of 20 is half of me is 20. The half of 40 is 20, and double of 40 is 80. Double me is 28. Skip it. Half of me is 7. So make double of 7. As it's written, you are doing opposite. 14. Half of me is 7. So double of 7, 14. Like this, half of me is 15. Double of 15 is 30. And like this, double me is 36. Half of me is 9. So making double of 9, it's coming 18. First write the answer, and then you check it using your question. Is it correct? You write the number. Double me is 16. Half of me is 4. Half of me is 4. Making it double, 4 plus 4, 8. How to make double, how to make half. For making double, there are two methods. The first one, we are using the same number to time, like 4, we are making double of 4, 4 plus 4. So we are writing 2 times and plus it. 4 plus 4, 8. And when we are also using the second method, we are using multiplication. 4 multiply by 2, or any number when you're making double, you just multiply with 2. 4 multiplied by 2 equal also 8. 2 4 times or 4 2 times equal. Like this we can make the double of any number. And half, so we need to divide it with 2. For double, we are making multiply, or we are doing the same number, addition or adding the same number. And when we are making half, we need to divide with 2. So what is the half of 8? So 2. 2 divided by 8 divided by 2. 2 multiplied by what equal 8. 2 4 times equal 8. Minus 8 is 0. So half of me is 4. So when we are making half of 8, it's coming 4. And when we are making double of 8, it's coming 16. Until 10, it's similar. Now little bit change. Sarah has 16 marbles. She gave half to Tom. She gave half to Tom. How many does Sarah have left? In the last line, the word left. It means we need to minus. Okay. Simple step. Sarah has 16 marbles. How many marbles? 16. She gives half to Tom. We need to make half. So divide it by 2. In the table of 2, can we? Yes, 2 multiplied by 8. 2 8 times 16. 2 8 times. So right here 8 and here 16. When you're doing minus, 0 remaining. So 8. So how many does Sarah have left? 8 marbles. So we can write here 8 marbles. I had 18 stickers on Monday. Sorry. By Friday I had double. How many stickers did I have on Friday? Double, 18. On Monday, by Friday I had double. So 18 plus 18, or 18 multiplied by 2. Very easy. 18 plus 18. So plus it. Let us plus 8 plus 8, 6. 1 up carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 36. So 36. 36. How many stickers? 36. I have on Friday 36. I had $14 and spent half of it. How much have I got left? I had 14 and spent half of it. So making half of 14, it's equal to half of 14. It's equal to 7. 7 plus 7, 14. So half of 14, it's $7. After this, next question. We followed a recipe to make 8 cakes but made double. How many cakes did we make? We followed a recipe to make 8 cakes but made double. How many cakes did we make? from 8, making double. 8 plus 8 equals 16 in simple words. So double of 8 equals 16. So 16k. There were 24 people at the party, half went home. So 24, half of 24 equal to 12. 12 plus 12, 24. So how many people are still at the party? 12 people. 12 people are still at the party. There are 25 people swimming. In 1 hour, the number of swimmers doubled. In 1 hour, the number of swimmers doubled. There were 25 people swimming in 1 hour, double. Swimmer double. How many people? 25 plus 25. 50. So it means 50 swimmers. After 1 hour, I double a number and got 14, making half. What was my number? It's 7. The half of 14 is 7. I half a number and got 9. What was my number? Then like the first page. I half a number and got 9. To make the double of 9, 9 plus 9, 18. 18. The number was open. I double a number and got 30. So it's double making it half. What was my number? So half of 30, 10 plus 10, 20, 11, 11, 22, 12, 12, 24, 13, 13, 26, 15, 15. Yeah, 15, 15, 30. 15. We are making the half of 30. I have a number and got 1. What was my number? Obviously, you are making it's half, make it double. When double, make it half. So have a number and you got 1. So it is 2. Obviously, what was my number? 2. Next question. How is the doubling and halving the same as addition and subtraction? How is doubling and halving are same as addition and subtraction? So we can say they are inverse. Double and half or doubling and halving are inverse, opposite to each other, just like addition and subtraction. Just like addition and subtraction, both are opposite to each other. Doubling undoes halving and the halving undoes doubling, just like subtraction undoes addition and addition undoes subtraction. And like this, these are similar. What happens to the number when you double a multiple of 5? When you're making double a multiple of 5, each 5 doubles to make a 10. 5 plus 5 double. And every time we are adding 5. So double of multiple of 5 are always 10 numbers. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Until you're moving forward. After this, when have you heard the word half? Half time, half each, half limit. What word you can say? Half an hour, half price. So one you can write as half price, half an hour. And when have you heard the word double? A lot of times, double trouble, sing double, and you can also make it double trouble, sing double or single. It's upon you. Body double. You can also say body double. Upon you can use any word. After this, the next lesson about addition wall. It's not difficult, easy. Addition wall. Use the number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in the word in the bottom row, what is the largest total you can make for the fabric? What is the smallest you can do? Does it count? Let's just do one. We are using 5, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have here certain addition. Of this, so how you need to write on this diagram. In simple, we are just adding these two bricks or two boxes and write down the here. So the other two things they are just combined. They will place. So 5 plus 6, 6 plus 5. 5 fingers need to open every time. 6 plus 5, it's equal 11. 6 plus 7. 13, 7 plus 8, 7 plus 8, 15, 10. And like this here, we are moving upward. 11 plus 13, 20, 24, like this, 28, put them over this 24, 28, yeah, 8, 12, 1 of carry, 52. Now 28 plus 32, 50, 60. After this, one more. Up 1. 60 plus 52. After this, we are writing here 0 plus 2, 2, 6 plus 5, 11, 100, 11. Like this, we can complete our this. These are just investigations. 68 people went into the shop on Monday and on Tuesday. One went into the shop and on those 2 days. Very easy. Addition wall we are adding. Just we need to add. So we get the answer. So 27 plus 68. You can also use your calculator. And we are doing the plus 28 plus 27. It is coming. Is 8 plus 7, 8 plus 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 5, 15. 1 up carry. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 3. this we are doing addition. All other question like this, question number 2 and 3. Let us move to the next part. Question number 2, question number 237. White cars and 29 silver ones were sold. How many cars were sold altogether? Altogether, so we need to plus 37 plus 29. When we are adding these two numbers, get the answer 66. 66 cars. There are 13 girls and 15 boys in class 1. How many children are together? So we need to add all together. Ones with ones, 5 plus 3, 8, and 1 plus 1, 2. So 28 children. Right here, 28. Question number 4. Class 2 has 18 boys and 17 girls. How many children in the class? 18 plus 17. 8 plus 7. Ones with ones, the first number from the right side, right to left. Ones, tens, 100. So ones, 7. 7 plus 8. So 8 plus 7 equal 15. 5 here, 1 of carry. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 35. 35 children. Question number 5. How many boys in class 1 and 2? So we are just adding boys. So in class 2, 18, and in class 1, 15. 15 plus 18, 30, 33 boys. We are writing here 33. What about girls? How many girls in class 1 and 2? 17 in class 2 and 13 in class 1. 17 plus 13 equal 30. So 30 girls. So right here 30. So how many children are together in class 1 and 2? 30 plus 33. 30 plus 33. 63. Right here, 63. All together, 63 children. First pick up 28 people at the first stop and 29 at the second stop. No one got off at the second stop. Sorry, a bus picked up 28 people at the first stop and 29 at the second stop. No one got off. No one got off at the second stop. How many people were on the bus? So it means all the people still in the bus. No one got off from the bus. On the stop, so 28 plus 29 equal 57. 57 people were in the bus. So I have some hen. They laid 47 eggs this week and 35 last week. How many eggs all together? 47 plus 35. So it's equal to 82 eggs. 82 eggs. Starting here, 82 eggs. Question number 8. Add 27 to each number, the grid. Draw a 3 by 3 diagram. Just I do the first two. If you're doing on the book, you can do it by yourself. Add 27 with all these numbers. 27 plus 19. 27 plus 19 equal 46. Like 21 plus 9. 21 plus 27 equal 48. And 54 plus 27 equal 81. After this, the second and third column, the same, we are using the method adding 27. The second part, subtraction, minus, subtract from across and down. What do you notice? What about the bottom corner answer? So let us minus it. 71 minus 58. 71 minus 58. When we are doing minus, it should be in our mind. The up number should be bigger. If it's smaller, we need to take 1 from the next number. So here 6, and here we make 1. Take 1 from 7. So it's 11 now. 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 equal 11 minus 8 equal 3, and 6 minus 5 equal 1. And like this, 3 minus 7, again not possible, take 1 from here. Here remaining 3, and here 13. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8, 13 minus 7, 13 minus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 6, it's coming, 6. So 13 plus 6 equal, 13 minus 6 equal 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 7. So we write it 7. Okay, we also minus from 71 minus 43. When we are doing minus, coming 1 minus 3, not possible. Take make it bigger. Take 1 from here. 11. 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's coming 8. We write here 8. And here remaining 6. 6 minus 4, 28. 58 minus 37. 58 minus 37 equal 21. Now we can check it. 28 minus 21 equals 7. So both sides we are doing minus. So the corner answer. What do you notice about the bottom corner answer? It will be same. Same like this part B, C, and D also. So 76 minus 45 is coming 31. Like this 54 minus 25. 54 minus 25 equals 29. We are doing minus. And 76 minus 54, 6 minus 2, 4, 2, then minus 5, 2, 20, 22, and 45, 25 equal 20. It's coming 20. And when we are doing minus from any side, it's coming to 29, 30, 31. It's only 2. Like this, the third and the part C, also like this. Let's start the question. 36 people left a crowd of 94. These all question about minus 36 from 94 minus 36. When we are doing minus from 94 minus 36, it's coming 58. Question number 2, 3, 4, 5. Same like this. I'm doing question number 7. Mostly in the subtraction question, how we know it? In the last line or in the question line, it's mentioned left, how many left. Okay, like this, it's easy. The first or easy thing we can understand, it's the question for the minus. So like this, we can easily solve it. So I had $50. I spent 17. How much have I got left? So let us solve it. 43, the big amount should be up. Minus 17. When we are doing minus 7 minus 3 minus 7, not possible. Take 1 from here. So here remaining 3, 1 take it here. 13 minus 7. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 3 and 3, 6. We write 6 here, and 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 equal to 27 at $26. So how much have I got left? $26. question number 10. A box of chocolates has 36 chocolate in it. We ate 18. So how many are left? Even we cannot, we are not solving. So we can use this picture. We can solve it. Here are 36. So cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Half of if we cut it. 2 and 3. Take cut 3 remaining. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 18. So how many are left? 18 chocolates. And what fraction of the chocolates are left? What fraction of the chocolates are left? You can say 1 by 2 or half. You can see half of the box. I just cut it. So you can write it half or just 1 by 2. Both correct. Or you can say 1 by 2 if you're talking about fraction. 1 by 2 of the chocolate box. I had 25 marbles. I bought another 24, but I lost 17 of them. How many do I have left? How many do I have left? So first of all, we need to add then minus. So I bought 25. I had 25, and I bought 24 more. I bought 24 more. So it's equal to 49. So now from 49 I lost 17. 49 minus 17. So 49 minus 17 is equal to 9 minus 7 equal 2, and 4 minus 1 equal 3. 32. So 32 marbles. How many do I have left? 32 marbles. Okay, in a class, 23 children, 12 are boys. How many girls? 23 minus 12. It's equal to 11. So 11 are girls. I had $51. I spent 22. How much have I got left minus from 51? 22.50. So it's coming $28. 50 cents. These 2 pages are all about the question for minus. Same like the previous. In addition lesson, we are making the grid. So this one the same. Subtract 18 from all these numbers. We need to subtract 18, 90, 1 minus 18, 62 minus 18, and we need to make a grid, a table like this, and we write down the. So 91 minus 18 is 73. Just write the first row, first column, and for 62 minus 18, 8 minus 2 minus 8, bring 12 minus 8. Yeah, this is coming 44, and the third one 65 minus 18. It's coming 47. Yes, it's all other columns. Question. Let's start question number 1. Which 2 ropes do you need to measure each of these distance? 75 meter, 175 meter, 84 meter. First of all, I want to tell you about meter. 1 meter equal 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter. It should be in your mind, and if you're talking about more bigger, so 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. Okay, so let's start the question from here. These are not questions, just investigate, talking about meter, centimeter. Starting from question number 1. The aeroplane took off 239 passengers on or 9 people got off at the first stop. Okay, so from 2:38, 9 people got off at the first stop. Okay, how many passengers were left? How many passengers were left? How many passengers were left? So from 2:38, if we are doing minus 9, 2:38 minus 9 for question number 1. 2:38 minus 9. Let's write 9 here. Minus it. Is possible? Not possible. If it's a small number, we take 1 from 3, so it's remaining 2. And here now 18. So 18 minus 9, it's coming 9. We write here 9. And 2 as it is come down, and 1 also as it is. 2 also as it is come down. This 2 and 2 as it is come down. This one 3, we change it into 2. Why? Because we give the 1 to the next number. So 229. So we write here 229 for answer A. There were 7 crew members. Now what do you mean by crew member? Remember, we are not including in passenger. The first things we are not including in passenger. The crew member are the members who are serving you in the airplane, like you can say captain, air hostesses, okay, different, you can say the member of the airplane, which you can say they can help you in the airplane. So mostly air hostesses and captains, or you can say the pilots. So these are crew members. There were 7 crew members on the airplane. How many people on the airplane when it first took off? How many people on the airplane when first it took off? So 238 already there. 238 plus 238 plus 38 plus 7, because we don't consider and the crew members. We are just talking about passengers. So 238 passengers and 7 crew members. So 38, 39, 40, 40, 45, 245. So 245 not passengers, 245 people. 245 people are there, okay, when it first took off. Okay, how many people on the plane after the first stop? Obviously 9 people got off, so 245 minus 9, 5 from 45, 5 gone, 240 and 236, 4 more gone, 236. From 245 minus 9, it's coming 236. So 236 people, not passengers. Now here you can write passenger. How many passengers? 229 passengers. After this, a bus picked up 23 people at the first stop. 19 people got on the second stop. A bus picked up 23 people at the first stop. 19 people got on at the second stop. Another 9 people got on coming inside the bus at the third stop. First stop 23, then 19, then 9 people. So at 3 stops, the people coming inside the bus. Okay, how many, the question is one, how many people were on the bus after the second stop? So we are not considering the third. 23 plus 19, because 19 people got on at the second stop. 23 plus 19. So we need to plus it. 23 plus 19. 3 plus 19 equal 9 plus 3. Ones with ones. 9 plus 3 equal 12. 1 up carry, so 1 plus 1 2, the carry 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 42. After the second stop, how many people on the bus up to the third stop? So 42 plus 9, further 42 plus 9, 51, 50, 42 plus 10, 52. So take 1 from 10 because 9 people coming. So 42 plus 9, you can also select this, 42 plus 9 equal 51. So after the third stop, there were 51 people. At the stop before the final stop, 37 people got off. How many people got off at the last stop? So 51 minus 37. So 51 minus 37 is coming 14. So 14 people at the last stop there in the bus. Question number 3. A shopkeeper had 14 coconut left on Thursday. On Wednesday, he bought 2 large boxes, each containing 75 coconuts. On Wednesday, he sold, these are all information. How many coconuts did he had left at the end of each day? At the end of each day. So we can write here, we have 3 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, our shopkeeper have 14 coconut left on Tuesday, so if Tuesday not included. On Wednesday, he bought 2 large boxes, each containing 75 coconuts. So 2 boxes, it means 150. So we can write here, there are not 75, 150 coconuts because he bought 2 large boxes, and in one box there are 75 coconuts. So 150 coconuts. Okay, on Wednesday. So 150 plus 14. 150 plus 14. No, we need to plus or minus. Yeah, we need to minus. How many left? How many coconut did he have left at the end of each day? So 150 minus 14. So 150 minus 14 equal 133. So we write here, this is the answer for A. This is the answer for A. So we can write it on Wednesday 133, and after this on Thursday. On Wednesday he sold 31 coconut. On Wednesday he sold 31 coconut. So he have on Wednesday 133. So he sold 133 minus 31. So 133 minus 31, it's coming on Wednesday 133. How 150 plus 14, 164 minus 31. This is on Wednesday, so it's coming 133. Now 133 minus 34, 133 minus 34, so it's coming 99. So on Thursday it's 99, the remaining coconut. And after Thursday, Friday on the third day, and Friday. Okay, let us solve it. He sold 34 coconut, and on Friday he sold 47. 99 minus 44, 99 minus 44, it's coming, when we are doing minus, it's coming 52. So 52 remaining on Friday. This is the answer for part 1. How many coconut did he have left at the end of each day? On Wednesday 133, on Thursday 99, and Friday 52. Okay, and on Wednesday he has in total 164, 150 he bought on Wednesday. On Tuesday at the end of the day he has 14, or he had left 40 coconuts. Okay, the second part, how many coconut did he sail over the 3 days? Over the 3 days. So we can plus all the sail, number of sail. So you can see here on Friday he sold 47 on Friday, and on Thursday he sold 34, and after this on Wednesday he sold 31. So we plus all of these. We need to add these three numbers. 7 plus 4, 11, 12. So we write 2 down, 1 up carry. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11. So 112. So 112. How many coconut did he sail over the 3 days? 112 coconut. Question number 4. A baker made 120 loaves of bread on Monday and sold 98. On Tuesday he made same like the second question number 3. So how many loaves did he make over the 3 days? We need to add on which 3 days? Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. And how many loaves did he have? Loaves of bread, you can say pieces, did he have to throw away each day? Obviously, okay, so how many loaves did he have to throw away each day? The remaining, we need to throw it. A baker made 120, and on Monday 98, on Tuesday 100, and sold 87. So remaining 13 from 100, 87 sold. So remaining obviously 13 from 100 minus 87, it's 13. So he need to throw 13 on Tuesday, and on Wednesday 130 minus 112. So remaining 18 he need to throw. Okay, so let's start the answer. Writing A. How many loaves did he make over 3 days? He made in total 120, 220, and 200, 350, 350. He made in total. How many loaves did he have to throw away each day? So on we can write it on Monday. On Monday he from 120 minus 98, 22 on Monday, 22, and on Tuesday 13, and on Wednesday no need to write and 18. How many loaves did he throw away altogether? Plus all of these, 22, 13 plus 18 equal 53. Multiple of 5 and 10. Mostly these questions about multiple of 5 and 10. If you know the multiple of 5, these 2 pages very easy for you. This lesson you can say. Write the 5 times table up to 10. Multiply 5. 5 multiply 1. 5 1 times equal 5. 5 2 times 10. 5 3 times 15. 5 10 times 50. Okay. 5 4 times 5 5 times. No need to write. Choose 2 of the 5 time tables. Fact. To write the fact family, you can write it 5 multiply 10 equal 50. 5 multiply 4 equal 20. Different using 5 tables, multiple fact. Choose 2 different fact from the 5 times table to draw and draw the array for. Write the same part. Write the 10 times table. The same question like the first 3. This 3 question about multiple of 10. Choose 2 of the 10 times table fact. You choose 2 different facts from the tens time table to draw the array of fact family. We will discuss in the next questions. Draw a number of lines to show each of these. Draw a number of lines to show each of these multiplication and write the completed number sentence. So 6 multiplied by 5, 6 multiplied by 5, what do you mean by draw a line? So need to write the multiple table starting from 6 1 6 0 times 1 2 3 4 5 on the multiple line. So 6 5 10 30, like this for all we need to make a line. Just like this, I draw a line and then writing the multiple table like 6 0 0 6 1 times 6 6 2 times, we are using multiple of 5 5 1 times 5 2 times 10 3 times 15 20 25 and 30. We need to complete this line and we need to show it like this. For 5 6 times 5 1 time 5 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 10 and 6 times 5 6 times 30. Like this we need to draw line. Question number 8. Write the multiplication and division fact family. In multiplication and division fact family, we are using 2 times multiplication, 2 times multiply and 2 times divide. So let us do it. We have 3 rows and 5 columns. So we have 3 5 and 15. So 3 multiply 5 equal 15. Like this, 5 multiplied 3, opposite, also 15. Now 2 times 5 and 2 times multiply and 2 times 15 divided by 3 divided by 3, it's equal 5. We just use the 3 number, just changing the position. 15 divided by 5 equal, we are just using these 3 numbers 3 5 and 15, which we can get from here. So this is the this is you can say a fact family. Write the multiplication and division fact family, or the same for question number 8 and 9, the same process you're using. In this we have the number, this question 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So one number we have 10, the second number 1 2 3 4 5, and the third number 50. So these 3 numbers we are using and making fact family. Copy and complete the number 8 multiplied by what equal 80. 8 10 times equal 80. Right here 10. 8 10 times equal 80. 5 multiplied by 5 equal 25. 10 multiplied by 6 equal 60. 10 multiplied by 5. You should know, if you're doing the multiplication and division question, you should know the multiple table. 5 multiplied by 9 equal 45. And like this, the second part, question number 11. 5 multiplied by, this is divide. So what is the number here? Obviously, you can multiply with this too for how to know the number. So if this is divide sign, equal left side. So when it's moving on the right side, it changes into multiply. So the same process, there is divided by 5. When it's moving on the other side, it's changing to multiply by 5. So 6 multiplied by 5. 6 multiplied by 5 equals here 30. Not 300, 30. This is for the beginning. Okay, same like this. 5 B part, 10 multiplied by 4, 40. 10 multiplied by 2, 1. 5 multiplied by 7, 35. And 12, 13, 14. Describe the number in a 5 time table. Describe the number in a 10 time table. How they are different and how they are similar, or you can say same. So you can see here. number in the table of 5, number in the table of 5 timetable have 0 and 5. Table, even we are starting from 5 multiply 0, 5 multiply 1, 5 until we are going. So there should be a pattern 0, 5, 0, 5, ones digit value. So the number in the 5 timetables have 0 and 5 ones, and number in the 10 times table, so it's just 0 at ones place value 0. So both table you can say have number with 0 ones. Both the table have number in 0 1. Only the 5 timetable has number with 5 ones. Question number 13. There are 27 children in a football club. How many five-a-side team can they make? So there should be some reminder. So when we are dividing 27 with 5, there are 27 children and we need to make 5 times team. So 5 multiply 5, 25, not coming 27 in the table of 5. Minus 8, 7 minus 5, 2. So 5 reminder. So this is the answer. Same like this all questions mostly have reminder. A flower shop has 90 tea flower. How many bunches of 10 flower can you make? From 10, if you are making 10 flowers bunches, so we can make only 9. So there is 93, because in the table of 9, 90 coming. Each bunch it has you can say 10 flowers. So 10 multiplied by 9, 90, and here 93. So 3 reminder. So we can write here 9 reminder. Write 2 matching calculation for the picture. We know there are some hands. How many fingers? 5 fingers. Okay. How many hands? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now we have 3 numbers like fact family. The first number we have 7. The second number we have 5 because of finger. And the third number we have 10 multiplied by 5, 35. So using these 3 numbers we can make family calculation. Same like this 16. Write 2 matching calculations. Same like this question of 15, 16, 7. We are using their this crafts and make the family. Write a matching story, change into question. So we can make it using these questions above. More multiplication. More multiplication, write the 2 times table. Describe the pattern. Obviously in the 2 timetable we are using the pattern of 2. Every time we are increasing each number by 2. So all the number in even number, all the numbers are even. The first thing, question number 2. So all the number are even. Each number is 2 more than the one before. 2 more than the one before. Obviously, like 2 multiplied by 1, 2, 2 multiplied 2, 4, 2 multiplied 6, 3, 6, 2 multiplied 4, 8, and so on. So you can see every time 2 increasing, from 4 to increasing, 4, 6 to increasing, like this pattern we are following. So choose 2 of the number 2 times table fact family. Choose 2 different fact family from here. 2 multiply 4, 2 multiply 8. We can use any numbers, okay, for multiplication. After this, write the 4 timetables. Same like question number 1, 2, 3, 4. The question number 5, 6, 7, but using the table of 4. 4 timetable, 4 1 times 4, 4 2 times 8, 4 3 times 12, 4 4 times 16, 4 5 times 20, 4 6 times 24, 4 7 times 28, 4 multiply 8, 32, 4 multiply 9, 36, 4 multiply 10, 40, 4 multiply 11, 44, and 4 multiply 12, 48. Question number 7 until question number 8. No need. Solve these word problem. From here the question starts. Write the calculation. 7 chairs are stacked in a corner. How many chair legs are left? 7 chairs, and we know one chair it has 4 legs. So 7 4 times 7 multiplied by 4 equal 28. So you can write it 28. 3 chairs are taken out. From 7, 3 chairs are taken out. So remaining 7 minus 3, 4. 4 multiplied by 4 equal 16. So how many chairs legs are left? 16. Why? Because 3 chairs are taken outside. Out of 7, 3 chairs are taken outside. So 7 minus 3 equal 4. After we need to multiply 4 multiply 4 because each chair it has 4 legs. 8 birds standing on a wall. How many birds legs? Not 4 bird 2 legs. So 8 multiplied by 2 16. 16 legs, not 16 birds. 5 birds fly away. 8 minus 5 3. 3 multiplied by 2 6. Like this question number 3. Question number 11. Question number 12. Copy and complete. Very easy. We are using multiple of 4 and 2. So let's start. Screen size bigger. Okay. Table of 4. 4 multiplied by what? 24. 4 6 times 24. 2 multiplied by what? 24. 2 multiplied 12. 24. 4 multiplied by 2 equal 8. 2 multiplied by 4 equal 8. Divide. You know we are talking about divide, so we will bring it here. 4 multiplied 7 also 28. 2 multiplied 1 equals 2. 4 multiplied 5 equals, bring 4 here. 4 5 times equal 20. And 2 multiplied 3 equals 6. Write the matching times table, multiple table for these numbers. Reminder. What is the reminder? What is the reminder? What is the leftover when dividing by a particular number? 15 divided by 4. Obviously, the table of 4, 15 not coming. 6, 4, 4 times 16. 4, 3 times 12. So 4, 3 times 12. 3 here coming, and this one 15 not 12. So 15 minus 12 equal 3. So 3 reminder 3. So you can make 3 groups of 4, but do not have enough to make another group of 4. So what 3 is? Leftover. 3 is a reminder. Write the matching timetable for the number. We can see 6 12. This is the pattern of 6. Between each number the gap 24 30. So the gap is 6. So we can say this is the multiple of 6. Multiple of 6. And this one 9 18 27. This is the multiple of 9. Multiple of 9. Now copy and complete. Question about multiple. This we need to write the multiple of 3, this multiple of 6, multiple of 9, and the table of 3. 3 one time. 3 multiplied 2 equal 6. 3 multiplied 3 9. 3 multiplied 4 12. 3 multiplied 5 15. Then 18. 3 multiplied 7 21. Then 24. Then 27. Then 30. So 6 one time 6. 6 2 times 12. 6 3 times 18. Then 6 4 times 24. Then 30. Then 6 6 times 36. 42. And 6 8 times 48. 9 times 54. And 6 10 times 60. like this. 6 9 1 time 9, 9 2 time 18, 19 and 3 times 27, 4 times 36, 5 times 45, 6 times 54, 7 times 60, 7 9 8 times 72, 81, and then 90. These are the multiples. These are 4 3 6 and 9. After they solve this word problem, writing the matching calculation, x box of 6. How many eggs in 7 boxes? If we know the multiple table, easiest question. Just writing the answer. If we know the multiple table. So x come in a box of 6. How many eggs in 7? 7 multiplied by 6. 7 6 times equal 7 6 times equal 42. So 42 x. So stools have 3 legs. How many legs of 9 stool? 9 multiplied by 3. 9 3 times 27. Like this, 6 oranges in a bag. I buy 5 bags. How many oranges have I got? 5 multiplied 6 30. I got 1 bag to a friend. I give 1 bag to a friend. So 6 from 6 and 6 oranges and I buy 5 bags. So from 5 take 1. So 4 bag, 4 6 times 24. So there are, how many oranges have I got now? 24. Question number 7. There are 9 bananas in each bunches. How many bananas in 6? 9 bananas. 9 bananas in 8 bunches. How many bananas in 6? 9 multiplied by 6 equal 9 6 times 54. Okay, I split each bunch into smaller bunches, each with only 3 bananas. So how many bunches do I have left, or do I have now? So we can say this 6 multiplied by 3 18 bananas. Okay, copy and complete, easy. We are using table of 369. Let us do it. 3 multiplied by what? 27. 3 multiplied by 9. Did I say 9? 90 times 27. 9 times 81. And 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. 9 multiplied by 8, 72. 6 multiplied by 5, 30. 6 multiplied by 7, 42. 6 multiplied by 10, 60. And 3 multiplied by 7, 20. We choose 2 of these calculations to make up a story. No need. Okay, question number 9. There are the 3 children share a packet of 12 biscuits. They had 4 biscuits each. Which calculation from question 8? Making a story. After this, we are talking about time. Okay, this digital stopwatch is broken. Yeah, it's broken. Okay, each time it is switched on, only 5 light bars work. So only 5 light bars. What different number could it show? Okay, the 5 light bar work. It means 1 it can show, 2 it can show because 5 light bar. 3 yes, 4 yes, 5 yes, 6 cannot because in 6 we need 6 light bar. We need 6 light bar. How? If we are writing 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 cannot show because it's just 5 a light bar working. So 6 cannot show. 7 can show. 8 cannot show. Which number could it show? What different number could it show? So 6, 8 cannot show. The remaining number can show. 6, 8, and I think 9 also. So these three number cannot show. From 1 to 9. From 1 to 9. Okay. So 6, 8, 9. It couldn't show. The remaining, okay, it could show. So investigate for each number. Okay, make the time showing on the clock. 4, 5, 12. It's easy. 4 hour 5 minutes. 4 hour 5 minutes. The first portion about hours. About hours. And the second one about minutes. This one about minutes. Like 4 hour 5 minutes. So we need to match with same like this. If you're talking about this is these are analog, and these are analog, and the digital have digits on it. Digital analog clocks. So in analog clocks, the small hand about hours, the big hand about minutes. So the big hand about minutes, this one we need to multiply with 5. On any number we need to multiply with 5. If not on the number in the center, the nearest number multiply with 5, then count one by one. As you can see the small lines, we can count it. So 4 hour 5 minutes, this one, this is small hand on 4 and the big hand on 1. So 1 multiply 5, 5, 12, 20. This small hand on 12, little bit forward until here it's 12. And when it reach in the center, it's 1 o'clock. So 12 at 4 multiply 5, 20. So this one here, and the remaining get 45 here. Question number 2. On which of these clock the minutes hand is missing? Okay. Give the partner estimate the time. Just you can make it. This is exactly on 4. It's 4 o'clock. And this one not on 4. It means this is I think 7:30, like this. As you can see this, but to the minute hand it's bigger, 7:30, and this is also in the center. You can say 1:30 or 1:15. 1:30. This is not 3 o'clock. 3:30. This is near to 7. It is 7:45. 6:45. Not on 7. 6:45. How 45? 9. The bigger hand on 9. 9 multiply 5:45. And this is 12. Yes. 12 o'clock, I think. Yes. The big hand and small hand on the same place, you can see. It's 12 o'clock. Next page about telling time. There are 6 taxis waiting for passengers from each of these planes. They each arrive 1 hour before the plane is due to land. Question number 1. How many extra time does the taxi have to wait for the passenger from Paris? So where is Paris? This one, 7:45. Paris, delay until other landed, other no need to change. Heathrow, New York, Berlin, no, not changing. Just these 3, Geneva, Amsterdam, and Heathrow. So, Paris. So how much time? This the time is 7:45 landing time, but it's delay until 8:20. So how much time? From 7:45, 15 minutes from here, it's 8 o'clock, and 20 minutes from here. After 8 o'clock, 20 minutes more. So 15 plus 20. 20 plus 15. Let me plus it. 20 plus 15. These are minutes. So 3 and 5 and 35. So 35. How 35 minutes? How much extra time does the taxi have to wait for the passenger from Paris? 35 minutes. Same like this, how much less time than expected does the taxi have to wait for the passenger from Geneva? This 11:10, this 10:45. So it's coming early. So 15 minutes from here and 10 minutes from here, 15 plus 10, 25 minutes. You can say how these 25 coming, the minute. Expected time 10:45, but landing time 11. 10:45 until 11 o'clock, 15 minutes from here, and then from 11 o'clock to 11:10, 10 minutes from here. So 15 plus 10, 25 minutes. So how much less time? 25 minutes less time. Okay, then the expected time for does the taxi need to wait? 25 minutes. How much extra time does the taxi have to wait for the passengers from Amsterdam? This is 12:45 landing time, but it's late. How much time? Or how many time? 10 minutes, because 12:55. So only 10 minutes. You can say 10 minutes. Okay. Which taxi has the longest wait? Which has the shortest? Longest wait and the shortest. Okay, the longest wait we can see from here. This 35 minutes. This from Paris, you can see. Taxi from the Paris or Paris airplane. Because 35 minutes. Okay. Okay. Or we can write it above here. To write longest wait. Paris city. Paris aeroplane. And which taxi the least one? Geneva, this one. That's 25 minutes. Less time it need to wait. The shortest time from Geneva plane. Okay, imagine all of the taxis are 30 minutes late arriving at the airport. What time would each taxi arrive? What time would each taxi arrive? So it's very easy. So this is 30 minutes. 30 minutes we are talking about. 30 minutes. So we are just minus 30 minutes from each landing time of the aeroplane. So this is 5. Just writing after this. This is 5. 6:20. So get 30 minutes back. 20, 30 minutes back. 5:50. We are writing here 5. What about 7:45? Go back 30 minutes at 7:15. And this 8 o'clock, 7:30. Just move back 30 minutes. And then this one 10:45, 10:30, 10:15. 30 minutes minus 11:10. It's 10:40. And the last 12:45, 12:15. These are the estimating times if all the taxis were 30 minutes late arriving at the airport. After this, the next question, number 2. If it, no need. You need to, question number 3. You need to catch 2 different buses to get to the Sure, but bus 1 is due to leave at 2 o'clock and arriving at 2:30. You have a half an hour wait between getting off the first bus and getting on the second bus. Bus 2 is due to arrive at the shop at 3:15. What time is bus 2 scheduled or scheduled to leave? Bus 2 leave 15 minutes earlier. So if bus 2 leave 15 minutes earlier, so it's reached at 2:45 because the distance between this 30 minutes, and then the second one on the second bus also the time will be changed. So the question, what time is bus 2 scheduled to leave? It is bus 2 leaves 15 minutes earlier. Bus 2 leave 15 minutes earlier. It should be leave at 3:15, but now it's 15 minutes earlier. It means, so you can say 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Obviously 3:15 the second bus, the bus, but it leave 15 minutes earlier. Bus 2 leaves 15 minutes earlier, so it's 3 o'clock. What time does it leave? What time does it leave? So 15 minutes earlier, it's 3 o'clock, it's 2:45. So we write here 2:45. What time does it arrive? If it's leaving 2:45, so what time does it arrive? It's 3 o'clock. We can write here 3 o'clock. Bus 1 is 15 minutes late. Bus 1 is 15 minutes late. So what time does it arrive? If it's 15 minutes late, so obviously the time will be changed. So it should be arrive at 2:45. Okay, boys. Listen again. You need to catch two different buses. Okay, bus 1 is due to leave at 2 o'clock. The timing for the bus 2 o'clock and arrive 2:30. So from 2 o'clock then 2:30. This is the first bus timing. First bus timing 2 o'clock until 2:30. This is the timing for the first bus. And then second bus timing, you have a half hour waiting between getting off the first bus and getting on the second bus. So what is the half hour? It means 3 o'clock. Yes, so from 3 o'clock to 3:30. This is the second bus timing. Okay, now what happened? Bus 2 is due to arrive at the stop at 3:15. 3:15. So what time is bus 2 scheduled to leave? Obviously, when it's coming, it's 3:15. Bus 2 leaves 15 minutes earlier. So bus 2 leaves 15 minutes earlier. So what is the time? Bus 2 leave 15 minutes earlier. Bus 2 leave 15 minutes earlier. So bus 2 leave 15 minutes earlier. So 15 minutes earlier. So obviously no, it cannot reach and 3 o'clock. It should be 3:15. We need to raise it. 3:15. 15. Why 3:15? Because of 15 minutes late. 15 minutes late. Leave at 2 o'clock and arrive to 2:30. This is the normal timing. And the distance between from bus 1 to bus 2, 30 minutes. So second bus 3 o'clock. But what happened? Bus 2 arrived at the stop at 3:15. At 3:50. So what time the bus 2 scheduled to leave? So obviously it is 2:45. 2:45. The bus 1 2:30, and the second bus leave 15 minutes earlier. So the time is at 3 o'clock. but 15 minutes earlier it's 2:45. 2:45 to 3:15. So the arrival time is 3:50. So this is the, or you can say the leave the bus, the second bus 2:45. 15 minutes earlier before 3 o'clock. So we can write here 2:45 to 3 o'clock. Okay, what time does it leave? So obviously 2:45 it's written as it. What time does it arrive? 3 o'clock? No, not 3 o'clock, 3:15. The arrival time is 3:15, not 3 o'clock, because of 15 minutes earlier. 15 minutes earlier, the bus to leave the stop. So we can write here 3:15. Bus 1 is 15 minutes late. Bus 1 is 15 minutes late. 15 minutes late. So if bus 1 is 15 minutes late, what time does it arrive? If it is 15 minutes late, so it means its starting time is 2:15. The normal time is 2 o'clock and 2:30 arrival time, but now 15 minutes late, so the starting time it's 2:15 and arrival time 2:45. What time does it arrive? 2:45. I'm repeating, you need to catch two different buses to get to the shop. Bus 1 is due to leave at 2 o'clock. This is the normal timing, 2 o'clock and 2:30 arrive. The second bus, then after there is a gap between first bus and second bus. You have to have a half-hour wait between getting off the first bus and getting on the second bus. Bus 2 is due to arrive at the shop at 3:15. So the normal timing is 3 to 3:30, but bus 2 is due to arrive at the shop at 3:15. Okay, what time is the bus 2 scheduled to leave? Bus 2 leaves 15 minutes earlier. That's why this is the time is 3:15, because it's leave 15 minutes earlier. If it's leave 15 minutes earlier, so obviously this is the bus 2. So this is not 3 o'clock, 2:45, 2:45, 2 hour 45 minutes. So we write it 2 hour 45 minutes. So this is the time for leaving bus 2 from the stop, and arrival time 3:15. So what is the answer for the 1? You need to write this too. It's better. This no need to write. This is the arrival time. Okay, bus 2. What time does it leave? Talking about bus 2. 2:45. What time does it arrive? 3:50. Bus 1 is 15 minutes late. Talking about now bus 1. 15 minutes late. It means not 2 o'clock. It means 2:15. The bus 1 leave the stop. So 2:15 leave the stop. So what time does it arrive? So 2:15 leave the stop. So it arrived 2:45. 2:15 and 2:55. The distance between from the first stop to the last stop, 30 minutes. After this, the next question, days and weeks. If 1st January is the month, how many other months have their first day as Monday too? It should be after 3 months. If January, then February, March, April, then May, June, July, August, then September, October. These 3 different. After 3, the month gap, 90 days, you can say the month coming, which has the same day. Okay, what if it is a leap year? What is a leap year? In the this is coming after the 4 year. After 3 years, the 4th year is the leap year. What happened in the leap year? Just the month of February, it has 29 days of February. Other all the month, all years, there are 28 days in the month of February, and in the leap year, or you can say not leap year, there are 29 days in February. Okay, now we can see here a calendar only for 1 month: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, different dates. So use the calendar to help to solve these problems. I'm using this calendar, so I make the size decrease. So you can see your learner book. A packet of dog biscuit lost 6 days. When open a packet on Tuesday, the 3rd. Tuesday the 3rd. Where is Tuesday the 3rd? This is Tuesday. Sorry, Thursday. Thursday the 3rd. This is Thursday the 3rd. Okay. When will he open the next packet? Very easy. 6 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Okay, Wednesday 9. Wednesday 9. He need to open the next packet. So we write here Wednesday 9. Then like this for 2 days every month. I work in a library. I work on Tuesday and Wednesday. What dates could I work? Tuesday and Wednesday. This Tuesday and this Wednesday. So 1, 2, 1st, 2nd, 8th, 9th, 15, 16, 50th, 16th, 22nd, 23rd, 29 and 30. These all dates we need to write here. Okay, what date could I work? These all dates need to mention here. Question number 3. I had planned to visit my sister on 31st, but 31st mean on Thursday 31st. But she asked me to go 2 weeks earlier. So just move 2 weeks earlier. 1 week and 2 weeks. It means the 70th. So we can go. I can go on 70th of on 17th. Which day? Yeah, Thursday. 70th of Thursday. Like this, you can write it here. Better we need to write first day and the date. Thursday 17. After this, the next question. Number 4. I wanted to go to the zoo on Monday 28, but it was closed. It was closed. On which day? 28, not 29, 28. Okay. So what happened? I was asked to go 2 weeks earlier, but I was busy. 2 weeks earlier. So from here 2 weeks earlier. On which day I want to plan this one and this one. On this day I made plan, but I was busy on this day. So what happened? Okay, I planned to go 3 days after that, but it was raining. After that 3 days. After that 3 days. After 14, 3 days. 14, 15, 16, 17. I made plan on 17, but what happened? It's raining. Then after this it was raining, so I went 1 week after that. 1 week after that. After that 14, 24. 24 Thursday 24. So we write here Thursday 24. Or Thursday. Which day did I go to the zoo? 24 Thursday. Okay, can you unscramble the letter? You meant to make month of the year, put them in order. This April, August, December, February, January, July, June, March, May, November, October and September. When you're arranging, so January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and question about using unit. Ali has a 64-gram bar of chocolate. One day he ate half of his chocolate, and one day 2 he eats half of what is left. He does the same each day. Okay, when will he have only 1 gram left? When will he have only 1 gram left? So he has how many? Ali has 64 gram of chocolate. So obviously six days. 6 days. On one day he eat half of the chocolate. So it means the sixth day, you can say. Dividing here. 6. For day 6 it's better. How much would a bar of chocolate need to wait to last only 14 days? 14 days, it's a lot of calculation in grams, so skip it. If you're calculating, it's coming. So if you're doing calculation for 14 days, it's coming, I think 8,192. How it's coming? Let I show you. Day 1, or I just write day 1. It's starting from 1. Day 2, where I know it's coming 1, or day 1 it's remaining 1, because when will he have only 1 gram left after 6th day? So that's what we are talking about. After 6th day he have only 1 gram. So day 1 he has 1, day 2 it's 2, then double. Day 3 it's 4, and day 4 it's 8, day 5 it's 16, double. Then day 6 it's 32, then 64, day 7, day 8 128, then day 9 256, day 10 512, day 11 1024, like this. Day 12, and day 12 it is 2048. 1048, double, every time double. And 2 more days. Day 13 it is making double, 4096. And day 14, after 14 days it's 8192. Yes, like this. And this is, Ali has 64 gram bar of chocolate. On day 1 he ate half of his chocolate. So you can see, from if we are going from day 6 backward, so on the day 1 it's finish from 64, half is what, 32, then half of 32 16, then 8, then 4, then 2, then 1. So after 6 days, or day 6, just he has 1 gram left. This is the answer for 1. And for answer 2, this is 8192. Okay, let us start the question. This is an investigation. Let's investigate question. To find a suitable unit to measure something, and you should first estimate how big is it. So let's start. So let's start question number 8. Do you think it is better to measure the distance between London and Paris in meter or kilometer? For small item we are using meter. For bigger distance, long distance, we are using kilometer. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. So for long distance between cities, between countries, between continents, we are using kilometer. So it's better we are writing, or we are using kilometer distance. Should an insect be measured in meter or millimeter? Small item, millimeter is better. 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 100. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, and 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. So small insect we can use millimeter. Just writing mm. Imagine a meter ruler next to a tall man. Would he be taller than 1 meter, 2 meter, or 3 meter? You can say this 2 meter, 1 meter or 2 meter, both correct. Is the height of a tall man likely to be 90 or 180? 180 is the correct option, because 2 meter it means 200 centimeters. So 180 centimeter normal. Is the weight of a bag of sugar about 1 kg, 10 kg, or 50 kg? Mostly 10 kg. If you're going to the you're going to the grocery store, big store, so we are buying in 10 kg bag. Mostly 5 or 10 kg. So 10 kg is normal. 50 and not 50 kg, not 1 kg less. Which unit of measurement? Kilometer. One. This is from bigger to the smallest or smaller. This one long distance, then smaller, then shorter, then shortest. Would be used. The length of your finger. The length of your finger. It is better for both centimeter and millimeter. Your height, meter, centimeter, both correct. The length of a football pitch, meter, sometimes kilometer, but meter. The thickness of a book, millimeter. Okay, now change 4230 gram to kilogram. We know in 1 kilogram, 1 kg equal to 1000. So this is 4000, 4 kg, 4 kilogram, and 230 gram. Change 500 millimeter to meter. So meter opposite. So it's 0.5. 0.5 meter. Okay, after this change to 50 milliliter into liter, so we can write 0.250 25 or 250 liter, or you can also write it 1/2 meter. Sorry, half or quarter of a liter, or 0.25, both correct. Quarter or 0.25, both correct. 0.250 liter. Okay, the space between two chairs is 3 meter. Where would you put the chair so that in the middle? Obviously, the half of 3, it is 1.5. So 1.5 in the center. The half of 3 is 1.5 meter. If it is in the center, so 1.5 meter. My sister is a 0.1/2 meter tall. My brother is double that height. 0.01/2 mean 500. 500 So my brother is double of height. Double of height, it means 1000. 1000. We can say 1000 meter. 1000 centimeter. Double. 1000 centimeter equal 1000. No, I think it is not 1000. The 0.1/2. Not something mistake. My sister is 0.1/2. Half meter. Half meter. 1 meter equal to 100. Half meter is 50 centimeter. And my brother is 100, double that height. So 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. These are all information. The question starting from here. So first information you need to fix it so you can easily solve the question, understand the question easily. My grand is the same height as my brother plus 80. Okay, let's start the question. How tall is my sister in centimeter? Centimeters, as it is, we write here 50 centimeter. How tall is my sister in centimeters? 50 centimeter. Because half meter equal to 50. 1 meter equal to 100. 1 meter equal to 100. And half meter equal to 50. How tall is my brother in meters? In meter. So 1 meter. 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. How tall is my grand? How tall is my grand? It's not mentioned in meter or kilometer, centimeter, so we can write in both. So how tall is my grand? My grand is the same height as my brother, so we write here 1 meter and 80 centimeter plus, so we write here 1 meter and 80 centimeter, so 180 in total. So we write both 180 centimeter or 1 meter 80 centimeter, both correct. How much taller is my dad than my sister? How much taller is my dad than my sister? My dad is the same as my grand plus 20, it's mean 2 meter. 180 plus 20 centimeter equal 2 meter. So how much taller? 2 meter equal to 200 centimeter. And my sister, it's 50 centimeters. So when we minus from 200 minus 50, this is the height of my sister. This is the height for my father. Remaining 150 centimeter. You can write it 150 centimeter. How much taller is my dad than my sister? 100 centimeter. If my sister and my brother lay on a floor end to end, so would they be the same length as my dad? Okay, my sister 50 and my brother 100. So 150 and my father it's 200. So we can obviously say no. What would the difference in length? Obviously, this one, my father height 200 and my sister height 100 plus 50, 150. So it's the difference between 50 centimeter. This to stop until page number 71. In the next video, the remaining question. Take care. Bye.